is about to collapse. Ah! Jimmy, be careful.
Don't be afraid.
Wow, Jimmy, the phoenix flew over our heads. Uncle Jimmy, be careful.
My goodness.
Something is about to eat it from us.
Don't be afraid. We will dodge. Hey, be careful now. Move around. The spaceship has some malfunctions. I'll stop it. Oh my goodness. We actually encountered a legendary Shan Wu.
We are the bottles with its mouth open.
His speed is...
Uncle Jimmy.
How dangerous it is. Look.
Well, what should we do, Uncle Jimmy? What kind of monster is this?
This is an item. Get towards the back. And later awkward, it's gonna attack us.
Oh my god! Why did it fly over again? Ah! What was that just now?